Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the web edition of Graduate Research Methods in Social Work. So the first thing that I want to bring your attention to is the URL, which is pressbooks.rampages.us/MSW research. I recommend bookmarking that in your web browser, your tablet browser, or mobile phone browser. Pressbooks works very well across all of those, and wherever you find it to be the most comfortable for you to read, that is where you should read. So if you scroll down on this page, you can also click read book to get right to the book. But here is the table of contents like you would find on a normal textbook. Everything is broken up into parts. There are 5 parts of the book and 24 chapters. And then within those chapters, we have subsections. So the book is sort of chunked out so that you can spend about 10-20 minutes on each subsection, depending on how long it is. So let's say you looked at the chapter outline here. You wanted to start with chapter 1. Every chapter starts with the chapter outline, which again has links to each specific subsection, as well as an estimated read time and content warnings for anything that might come up in examples inside of the chapter that you may not be expecting, just given that it's a research methods textbook. So if you scroll down on the page, it's just one big long textbook, and you'll know that you've gotten to the end of each section. When you get to key takeaways, you will also see exercises. So exercises are a way for you to apply what you just learned to an original research project. Most of you who are reading this textbook are probably working on a research proposal or a research project of your own. These exercises are designed for you to apply immediately what you have just read to the project that you are working on. So if you scroll down on the page and you get far enough down, you'll notice that you don't really have a table of contents. You aren't really able to sort of access that. The way that you do that is by clicking on this up button, and then you can access the table of contents on the left here, and you'll notice the same sort of menu that we went down to before. If you need to search for words that are on the same page, maybe you want to search for learning, you can use the search feature inside of your browser or the find in page feature in your browser. But if you need to search for something in the book, let's say we wanted to search for the term variable. Okay, it looks like that first comes up in chapter 3, and I can look for where the word variable comes up. All right, so the last thing that I wanted to go over was sort of navigating between chapters. Obviously, you can go to the contents menu up here and go to whatever chapter you want, but there are also these menu items on bottom. You can go to the previous chapter here or the next chapter here. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial and for reading this book. We hope that you enjoy it, and we look forward to any feedback that you might have. Thank you.